Welcome to RoadGator Reviews, real world, real use reviews from products around the world. Hello and welcome to another RoadGator review. This time we have the Dual Chef Salt and Pepper Grinder. It's an all-in-one with the ceramic grinding blades in it. You can see everything is in one compact unit with a divider for the peppercorns and for the salt. Right now I have regular old sea salt in it, but I've also used this with Himalayan pink salt. It's easy to use. When you want to fill it up, you just unscrew this part right here. This you're not going to do any good on. So you just unscrew this, fill it up, and I'm making a huge mess right now. And that's all there is to it. And then of course there's different sizes that you can grind. There's fine powder, a little bit more coarse, and then of course even more coarse. It does better with bigger salt crystals. As you can probably see, I've got smaller salt crystals in it. And then of course the peppercorns, all different size peppercorns. You tighten it up. You just tighten it up by twisting it. And there's a fine powder. A little bit more coarse. And then, of course, even more coarse. And so on and so forth. As you can tell, different sizes of the grains. This one is the most coarse. And then of course you have the other ones. And it does the same thing on the salt side as well. So the grinding mechanism is all ceramic, and it has the dual caps that will go on it. So it stands up on either side. As simple as that. It works really well. It's stainless steel. It looks great, so you can put it on the table for guests, or you can leave it in the kitchen, whichever you prefer to do. And this is the Dual Chef Salt and Pepper Grinder. You can get it on Amazon at the link below.